our first official channel sponsor, the great folks over at DynovoxParts.com. They make quality intake and exhaust system products. Obviously, you guys can see the pamphlet here. They sent me over an awesome kit, 304 stainless universal kit, all in 3-inch. They sent me a couple other things that I'm still waiting on, but this stuff is high quality and it's actually not terribly priced. This is pretty cheap compared to some of the other things that you've seen. They have custom exhaust piping. They have a whole bunch of stuff on their website. Make sure you guys go check them out. We're gonna get this thing set up soon. We're gonna have a discount code that we're gonna post in our next video. We're gonna share some more information. These are the 245s. You get 2 90s, 245s, 2 straights, 2 180s, and the stuff looks great. I'm super excited to work with these guys. I cannot wait to bust out the Vulcan Pro TIG 205, knock out some stainless steel TIG welding, get this system put on the car so it finally sounds good. We don't have to worry about that muted tone that you get with mild steel, and it's gonna last a heck of a lot longer, especially up here in these harsh New York upstate winter. Guys, I'm excited to tell you about that. We will see you again very, very soon.